Hey guys, what is up? I am back. I just got back from a camping trip up in Jackson, Michigan with my family, and I will say it was fun, but there are fleeting moments out there that I have to question mine and my husband's sanity to attempt camping with a 1 and a 2-year-old. Like, don't get me wrong, it's fun getting out and spending time with family, but there is not much relaxation involved with camping with 2 babies that age. Like, everything's a danger. It's constant baby chasing. They're both constantly on the go, and then they don't sleep as well in the camper. Like, the slightest thing will wake them up, and it's very hard to get them to go back to sleep. I literally may have had 4 hours of sleep the whole weekend. So I am freaking exhausted, but I'm glad that we get out there and attempt and, try to make memories and all that kind of fun stuff. Now, when I got home, I did have my very first out of 6 or 7 BoxyCharm Pop Up orders here. I do have 2 humongous orders, and then the rest are smaller like this with 4 or 5 items a piece. So this is one of my smaller ones. It does have 4 items in it, but I was very excited to see it when I got home, and as tired as I am, I decided I'm going to jump on and show you guys what I got in my first order. Before we jump into the box, if you are not yet subscribed, I would love it if you would become part of this beauty YouTube family. All you got to do is hit the subscribe button and then make sure you hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads, especially because I do huge monthly giveaways. And if you've been thinking about subscribing or this is your first time checking me out, this is a very good time to subscribe because my August giveaway is going on right now. It's a huge lot of amazing products. Whoever wins, I cover shipping. So all you have to do is literally be subscribed. Then you could find my August giveaway video. In fact, I could link it in the description box below to make it easy, and watch the video and let me know what you would be most excited to receive out of all of those products, and then that is it. You have your entry. Also, I do want to say hey, hello, and thank you so much to all of my new subscribers. I went up about over 100 subscribers over the weekend. It was all thanks to Cece from Cece's Trial Size Life. She gave me a shout out over on her channel, and I cannot be more appreciative. That was so sweet and so kind. And now I have all these beautiful new subscribers. I am so excited to go through all of the comments that I got over the next day or so and respond to everybody. And I'm just really excited. I can't wait to go out and put together a really cool thank you box for Cece and send it over to her for some friend mail for her channel. So I'm really excited to do that, and that will be coming soon. But for tonight, let's just jump on into the BoxyCharm Pop-Up box. So I do have 4 items in here. Now, let's go ahead and talk about the first item. This is by Pearle. I love this brand. This, I believe, was up for choice in BoxyCharms not too long ago. I did not choose it, but it's a great, well, actually, I assume that it's a great product because I love so many of their other products. But this is the Ageless Glow Serum BB Cream. It does have SPF 40. This would have been good to take on my trip. I used to lay out and bake in the sun when I was younger. Now I'm the complete opposite. I freak out. I'm using like SPF 50. I'm looking for shade. I'm so afraid of sun damage and wrinkles now that I'm getting older. But anyhow, so, I have these top 3 drawers that I have right here are full of all of my favorite, most used products. And I do have their Silk Glow BB Base Primer in my primer drawer, in my most used primer drawer anyhow. And I do use this all the time. It gives a beautiful, beautiful finish. And what I really like about it is that it has a little bit of tint to it. Not much, but a little bit. So on my very low or no makeup days, it gives you a tiny bit of coverage as well. So I love using this for days like that. I also use it on full coverage days sometimes too. But this is more one of my favorites for like less or no makeup days. Well, obviously there's going to be some makeup because I'm using this, but like when I'm not doing a ton of makeup, this product is really good. So I was excited and wanted to give this one a try. I did try it. I got the shade Light. I have it on my face right now. I did not have any. I've got a little mosquito flying around. This happens to me all the time, and it's distracting me and it's driving me crazy. So if you see me looking around, I'm not crazy. The thing is driving me nuts. But so I did go ahead and try it out. you get quite a bit of product in here. This is what the packaging looks like. And it seemed to go on really, really nice. And what is really exciting about this product is it's kind of like skincare / makeup. And I love products like that. So it's got some really great things for your skin, and it's supposed to be very healthy while giving you a really pretty light coverage. I would definitely say it's not something that's full coverage, but it would definitely be buildable, and it has a very pretty finish as far as I'm concerned. So I'm definitely happy with this. I will definitely be using it more, and it's a purchase that I am happy with. So the next item is these Monarch lashes. So I have been eyeing these in the add-on sales for a couple months, and I finally got them. So the last year or so is when I started really getting into lashes. Before that, I was strictly mascara. I think it had a lot to do with really just not knowing how to apply them, maybe being a little bit of afraid. I was afraid, what if I got glue in my lashes and then I pulled out my lashes when I was taking the strip off? Really fear is what it was. I didn't feel like I knew what I was doing with them, and I didn't want to ruin my own lashes. But once I figured out and I got over the fear and started playing with them and figured it out really quickly, now I love them. And I thought these are really, really me. They're pretty. I really like the kind of dolly looking ones. And then those are pretty too. So I'm obviously not going to put lashes on. It's late, and all I'm going to do is take a shower and go to bed at this point after the video. But I will definitely use these in an upcoming video, whether it be like a trying new makeup video or a get ready with me. We will definitely check these out together. And the next item, oh my God. So I am in love with Pure's Barbie line. It's kind of like a little fetish that I have. One of my absolute favorite, all-time favorite lip glosses is the Girl Gloss by Pure Barbie. It's a little bit colored right now because I have... you can see that a lot of it is used, and I have used it over lipstick a couple times. But it's just a really pretty sheer golden color. And I actually have it on right now. I wear it all the time. It just really goes on clear, but it's just a beautiful gloss. I love it. To me, it kind of smells like cupcakes. Very light cupcakey smell. But they also had these on the pop-up sale, and I definitely stocked up on these too. So I'm really excited to get some more of those. But this was interesting. I had never tried this from the line, and it is called it's Pure Barbie Forever Glow, and it's supposed to just be like an all-over illuminating powder. So I wanted to check it out. I put it on as if it were like a highlight because I wasn't sure. This has a very similar smell to the lip gloss, kind of like just a sweet sugar cookie cupcake type of smell. It does come with the cutest little pink puff that says Barbie. I'm like a sucker for stuff like that. Now I wanted to show you guys if there was a little bit on there. I had no idea it was going to come out that dark. Whoa. There was just like a tiny bit on there. That's okay. I'm just going to wash my face and go to bed. Anyhow, but I was going to say, I don't think this is something that I would wear like all over my face. I probably would use it more or less as just a highlight, but it does have a really, really pretty glowy finish. And since it says all over, I'm assuming you could probably put it on your shoulders and your chest a little bit if you were wearing a tank top. Again, especially now after seeing that, this definitely isn't something that I would wear all over my face, but I really like it. I think it gives a really, really pretty glow. Definitely more of like for like highlight areas. I can't believe it came out like that. That's funny. Anyhow, okay, so the next product was something that was interesting to me. And to be honest, when I bought it, what happens with pop-ups is if you have over $25, then shipping is free. If you don't, then you have to pay for shipping. So I go in and I get these huge couple first orders, and then temptation calls me back in. I mean, it can't just be me. Like I end up going in way more times than I need to, and I'll find one or two things that I'm like, yes, I really want this. I'm going to get this. And then I'll think to myself, but you know, I might as well go ahead and find some other things that look interesting, because if I don't have $25 worth of stuff, I'm going to spend that money in shipping anyways. So I might as well get extra items, and you know, because the money's going to get spent regardless, whether it's shipping or more items. So then I go find more items, and then by the time it's over, I spent like $40 instead of the $25. See, they're smart with their shit. But anyhow, I wasn't even 100% sure what this was, but it looked interesting. And it turns out that it is another kind of like skincare meets makeup type of thing. And it's supposed to be like a concealer slash foundation. The packaging, I was a little confused. It looks like a bunch of 13-year-old little boys. That's what it looks like. So I'm like, okay. So, and then also I thought it was really cute though. It does come with stickers. Now, I love stickers. Don't get me wrong. But again, I was like, okay. And then this is what the product looks like. It's a black compact. It is sleek looking. You open it up and it does have a mirror. It still has like the little film on the mirror, but and then it does have like a little applicator. I did kind of check it out. I'm not crazy about these sponge applicators, but I did try out the product. I put it under my eyes and it did actually go on really, really nice. The product itself looks different, we'll just say. So that is what it looks like. And then, so I was curious and went on their website, and come to find out, this has actually been discontinued. So what's out there and already made, like if you're going to find it on like, you know, maybe Amazon or eBay or any of those places, like once what's out there is gone, there is no more of this. It's no longer being made and manufactured. And I did want to write down because I thought it was interesting and I knew I wouldn't remember. So it's got naturally derived black truffle, black caviar, black pearl powder, bora sea collagen, ginseng collagen, beta collagen extract, and it's supposed to smoothly cover your flaws, add moisture, and give a nutritious boost without being cakey. So also, it's supposed to be 16-hour wear. Now, as far as the moisture and going over fine lines and not being cakey, I definitely so far think that that is true. Obviously, I'm not going to wear this for 16 hours right now because I'm on about 4 hours of sleep all weekend long and I do have to work tomorrow. But it's definitely something that I felt like it looked really nice. It did. It went over my fine lines around my eyes really nicely. It does not seem drying at all around the eyes. It definitely does seem very moisturizing. And I'll definitely be interested in you know, continuing to use this and see how it goes. Of course, if I fall in love with it, I'll have to like hurry up and stock up on it through eBay or something because it's no longer being made, but we'll see. I don't know if it's going to go that far, but it is really nice to have and try out. So those were my first 4 items. I do actually have another package that will probably be here tomorrow or Tuesday. It's not one of my huge ones, but it's another one. I think there might be like 5 or 6 or maybe items in that one, but I will definitely be on here to go through them all with you. And that's all I got for tonight. I'm going to try and get some sleep, and I will see you guys soon in my next video. And until then, stay safe, stay beautiful. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.